Hey y'all, this video is going to be based on expected value, introduction, and problems. So in order to be perfect and master the concept of expected value, you need to understand the formula. You need to understand the formula that we will be using to solve these kind of questions. And the formula is pretty simple. All that it says is that the expected value has to be equal to the summation or sigma, in case you don't know what that means, of the probability times the value. So in this equation, Pxi stands for the probability and x of I stands for the value, and I will show you what these two notions mean in our problem. So let's look at our first problem. The CEO of Honey Packing Company is expecting to make $45,000 in sales in City A with a probability of 4/7 and $72,000 in sales in City B with the probability of 3/7 over the course of 1 year. Find the mathematical expression for the company. So based on our formula, I'm going to break down P times x of I, P times x of I, and this problem is going to be 4/7 and 3/7, and x of I is going to be equal to 45,000 and 72,000. So this is just a breakdown to visualize what we will be plugging into our formula. So let's try to solve this problem. We know that the expected value has to equal the summation or sigma of the probability times the values. So in our case, the probability is 4/7 times 45,000, and you add it to 3/7. Let me erase that. You add it to 3/7 times 72,000, and if you do the math, you should get 56,571.43. So this is our answer. Now you might wonder what this answer really means. And what this answer means is that on average, the CEO will be expecting to make $56,500 in sales in both City A and City B. Now, here's a key word that you need to understand. In our mathematics class, in our pre-calculus class, when dealing with probability problems, if you ever see mathematical expression, always remember that you are solving for the expected value. Just keep that in mind and you'll be fine, trust me. Alright, so now we are going to move on to problem number 2. It is on the same line, so try to pause the video and do the problem on your own. But anyway, so Billy is planning on playing the Georgia lottery. He expects to win $800,000 with a probability of 3/10 and $350,000 with a probability of 5/8. If he does not win, he expects to lose $200 worth of ticket sales. Find the mathematical expression for Billy winning the lottery. So it is very easy problem. I'm going to write down my formula again. E of x equals sigma of probability of x of I times the number of values. So again, I'm gonna have 3/10 and I'm going to multiply that by 800,000. I'm going to add it to 5/8 times 350,000. And now keep in mind that he loses $200 if he does not win anything. So we gotta subtract $200 from our answer. If you don't, then you'll get it wrong. So let's do the math. I'm going to do the math. So we have 3/10 times 800K plus 5/8 times 350K. And don't forget to subtract $200 and you get your answer to be equal to 458,550. So around $4,500. So by playing the lottery, on average, he will be making $45,000. Okay? Alright, I hope this video helps.